How do you make your own hand sanitizer?
You can use isopropyl alcohol. If you have isopropyl alcohol, like a 70%, you can just use a little bit of that on your hands for 30 seconds. That's going to dry your hands out. So a lot of people want to make a hand sanitizer that's something like Purell that has a gel form. So then that 70% isopropyl is no longer useful for you. You would have to have a 99% isopropyl, which they also sell at drugstores. And you could mix some of that isopropyl alcohol with some aloe vera gel. And if you wanted to add in an essential oil for a nice smell, a couple of drops of lavender would work. And mix that aloe vera and that 99% isopropyl alcohol in a very clean container, and then that could work as a hand sanitizer. You could head down to the liquor store in your town if it's still open and see if there's any bottles of Everclear left. That has a pretty high percentage of alcohol. You need to be sure that the alcohol percentage mixed with aloe vera, I know, is at least above 60%, that your mixture has at least 60% alcohol in it. Otherwise, it will be ineffective. And I will say, on the hand sanitizer issue, you will do much better with soap and water than you ever will with hand sanitizer against the coronavirus that's causing COVID-19.
Why?
The envelope of the virus is made of fats, and the fats in soap mix with those fats in the envelope and dissolve the envelope of the virus and extrudes its insides, which then degrade, and it can no longer be an inactive particle. Also, soap removes things off of your skin because of its chemical action. The alcohol simply dries out the skin. It's a little less effective at inactivating the virus.
Overwashing my hands or alcohol. Can you maybe speak a little bit to how much is too much?
A lot of websites are recommending that you're washing your hands every hour just to be safe. If you're in your home and you're not being exposed to the virus in any way through other people or other materials coming into your home that could be contaminated, there's no need to wash your hands. Anytime that you go out into a public place, you should be washing your hands as soon as you return to your home. Anytime you go to the bathroom, you should wash your hands after you complete your work in the bathroom. If you handle goods that you purchased in a grocery store, after you're done handling those goods, you should wash your hands. After you've been in public, after you've handled goods, and after you use the bathroom are the 3 times you should absolutely use your 30-second hand washing with soap and water.